Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to change the inverter. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Morena Brats of Philippines. So as you can see, we got all our stuff here from the old kitchen area because today we are going to start building the floor. So this is gonna be a living room, right? Living room.
Entryway living room.
Living room, and then over there is gonna be the dining area and the kitchen area.
Yeah, kitchen in the back, dining.
And this is gonna be another room.
Another family room.
Another family room. So maybe with the help of God and with His plans and grace and mercy, we can build another a second floor over it. So, yep.
Overlooking the view there.
View over there, and after that, we can also after the what is this called?
Inverter.
The gate.
Oh, the gate, yeah.
After the gate and the fence here, and all of this, hopefully we can start a new project. All project for off-grid living. So office, we're thinking about this place, this area. We're gonna remove this tank. We're gonna remove this tank over here and place it on the other side of the bathroom. And we can put a table here, and then we can, overlooking stuff over there.
And have this view while we work. And Mom really likes the 4M40 cylinder head here. She won't leave it. They're having a special moment.
Also, I think we're going to put the laundry stuff over there on the side. And we're gonna do the flooring also there. And the washing dishes maybe. Or on the other side. Because this is going to be the washing area for clothing. Are we going to put another stuff here?
We'll probably extend the roof, and then the kubo goes here after this is all cement.
No. Because if there's a kubo here, it shouldn't get wet.
We'll do we'll have a little drain thing that guides the water that way towards the back, so it's not going to go anywhere near the kubo.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's it for my intro today, and let Mr. Bieber start working on the inverter.
You got it, boss. Great job. Why is all this stuff outside? Well, Jhaja already told you. Because Ray is starting on our... This is actually good. We kept calling it a kitchen because that's what it was. But now it's going to be living room part 1 / entryway. So there's going to be the front door here. So like put a couch against that wall, with the back against the wall, coffee table, a couple stools, maybe a bookshelf here, maybe an electric piano here for the kids to learn piano. So this will be the entryway / living room part 1. Family room continues 1 or 2 steps up to this area here, family room. And over here is the dining area with a nice table for the whole family. And then behind that wall on the outside will be what they call a dirty kitchen, which is an outdoor kitchen. Cement floor, roof, and mahogany frame with mosquito net all around so that there's no insects around them while they're cooking. And we're moving forward. Ray, how do you feel about being a famous YouTube star?
I'm very happy.
happy.
Very happy. There you have it.
Very, very happy.
This section here is going to be broken up, which is actually the foundation for that room there, but Ray knows what he's doing. He's going to break this up and then make it straight down. And we're going to cut a door into here. So this is behind this is a 4x4 mahogany solid post. So we're going to cut right along that post and make another doorway here. So there'll be a step down. And that'll be the main door to that room. And then this will be the front door to the house. So we're going to continue hollow block over to there, which is currently Mom's house, but that will just be a Mom's bedroom then. This will be hollow block with a front door here. And then continue up in the Amakan, which is what that stuff is. Continue the theme. And then back here, we may or may not do a 3-foot high. I'm debating on separating the rooms here. I may just leave it open so it has a bigger feel. And then the wall going that way, and then that way will be solid hollow block cement. And then a second level, as Jhaja said earlier, with a balcony going over the roof there with a view out that way.
Pakalawa tayo, Mike. Ano? Bilis sa dindari. Sayad ang bumper.
Taas na no?
Barrel? Yeah.
Do they want?
Sa pang barrel, kuya?
Dapat ito dahil hindi mahaba ito, maiksi lang. Kasi
Yan lang kasi yung maganda doon. Malalim.
Pang mataas na tao to. Kung mataas na tao, pero pag ano maliit.
pag sa akin yan ay gano'n yan.
They're talking about that because that is for the tall people.
This is good for the tall person.
Because then when they do like this, it's still like on the floor.
It's not built for Filipinos, huh?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Ready?
Did they say they need another one or what?
Yeah, so it's password.
Magpile na magsapalo. Magsapalo pa.
Well then, okay. I guess we take the Pajero again.
Kuya Ray, magaganyan siya pagka nagbili ng isa pa.
Ah.
Para
Dalawa.
sila mabili.
Taliwa, two.
Huwag yung ganito na hamaba ito.
Pag sa akin, pag ako gagamit, okay.
Okay lang.
Pero sa kanya, sa sayad to. Sa daan.
Yan. Tapos ang bigat pa naman ang karga. Di lalo, maganan.
So we need the smaller end there.
Shorter.
Shorter.
Ha?
Well, are they still going to use this one though?
Yeah, for him it's alright because he's taller than
Okay,
the
good.
other one.
Okay.
I'm taller than her.
That's a good
That's
thing.
why this is good for me.
Good. So we'll get a shorter one for him then.
Wanna ride?
Yeah! I do.
Sa ano, kaya
He
sayang.
said it's already wet. When the cement get in there, the cement there is going to get hard and it's gonna break.
If we use the cart?
Yeah.
Because the cart is wet.
Okay.
Paano pag ano? Sand. Okay lang.
Hindi rin, sayang. Yun lang.
But
Just for water.
okay.
Leave it for water.
All right, fine. Yeah, looks okay. This one's less expensive. How about for me? Hmm? So how much?
Go, 2.6.
And the other one we paid what? Yeah, I get the. No, I think it was 3.5. Yeah, yeah. They give. I got it.
Siya na lang na maglagay.
Blue for me and red for you, huh? The new wheelbarrow. Yeah, it looks okay. Uh-oh, you lost. Better?
Taas gapon pilom no? Taas gapon. Udara.
And I've already gotten a few up. Yeah. Ray's gotten into my lawn boy over there.
Uli kaya.
60. Part 1, part 2. Nahirapan si Mira i-attention.
Tacos again, guys.
Come na.
Yeah. So yummy.
Come. Nandali. You up na. Go.
So John, here you go. We're starting. Anytime you want to hop up, no problem.
Ah!
Do a
Thank
close.
you for watching. Mag-bite-bite kayong lahat. Pero maanghang to. Gusto niyo maanghang? Patay. Wow. Yay! I saw. There's a charger here.
Oh, you saw already.
So that's from the solar now.
That's the solar. Whew is right. Yay. How's it looking? Well, we're mixing cement already, huh? That's
Started pile. Starting pile.
starting what?
Pile.
File?
That's called pile.
Ah, okay. Yeah, Ray said that earlier and I didn't understand what he said. And I didn't ask. Ray said the same thing before and I just
Pile,
went,
pile.
mhm.
Yeah.
Cool.
Starting pile. Pile the
Pile?
blocks. Pile.
Mm.
Like you compile your
Ah, yeah, okay. Not file, pile.
yeah.
Yeah, okay, got it.
You know what is starting in Bisaya? So good.
So good?
Oh, so good.
So good?
Yeah.
Start?
Yeah. So good og pile.
Okay, and weight is taisa.
Oh, taisa.
Taisa.
Yeah, yeah.
Not Isa. Isa is one.
Yeah, isa is one.
Right. This is my Basayan teacher here.
Weight is Isa.
Taisa.
Taisa.
Yeah. Ah, that's what, yeah, I was saying Isa, not Isa.
Huh?
But Ray, we need a door. We need an opening here. Yeah, in the middle. So I think maybe remove.
No, cut the river. Because the river is the hold to the
Ah, okay. Yeah, okay.
For your health. Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.